and welcome to Phoenix. My name is Mia, and today I will be showing you how to do the initial setup configuration. Phoenix supports 3 modes of setup: manual, with Excel or CSV files, and integration via our API. Today, we will be setting up with a mix of manual and file-based. Step 1 is to create the production lines. Navigate to the Sites page. A default site will already be created for you, containing a default production area. Within this area, create the lines by entering their IDs. Next, we will be setting the production availability. While this can be customized by line by clicking Details here, it can also be set as a default in the organization. Navigate to Organization. Your organization will come with a default line availability of 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. You can customize this by clicking the Edit button here. You can set your time zone by clicking the Edit button here and selecting from the drop-down. Next, we will create materials. Navigate to the Materials page. To get a template for importing into Phoenix, select Export Materials. Take a moment to fill in this template. I will do so now. Here is the filled-in template. Note that I have added 4 columns: allergens, business importance, extruder, and sauce. These are material attributes unique to my environment and situation that I want available in Phoenix as they impact scheduling. While I only added 4 here, you can add as many unique attributes as desired. Save the file, and then navigate to Import. Select Materials. Start a new import. Drag and drop or upload the file. As you can see, most of the columns are already mapped, since we generated this from the template. Now all we have to do is map the attributes. Select the attribute, select New Attribute from the drop-down, and then select the attribute type. Accept column mapping, and repeat for all attributes. Once you have finished, select Continue. Phoenix will give you a summary of what will be created or updated, and then you can finalize the import. Once it's done, you can see the created materials on the material page. Now we'll set up the production rates. Navigate to Production Rates. We can create rates that are just the default, ones that are line-specific, ones that are material-specific, and ones that are line and material-specific. Here, we'll create rates for each line. Select Create Rule, enter the rate per minute, select the unit, and then enter the line name. Repeat for the other line. If you wish to create material-specific production rates, while you can do so one by one as shown, it is recommended that you download the template file by clicking Export Production Rates, filling it out, and importing as we did with materials. The final step for configuring master data is to create the changeover rules. Navigate to Changeovers. Configuring changeovers, while optional, allows use of Phoenix's AI-driven algorithms to schedule by minimizing changeovers. Select Create. Phoenix supports flexible rules-based changeovers based on the attributes of materials. I will go ahead and create 2 changeovers now. If you'd like a more in-depth guide on creating changeovers, please see our other video guide. We have now finished configuring the Phoenix master data, and we're all set to load in orders and start scheduling. Navigate to the scheduling screen and select a line. You can create orders manually by clicking the Orders button here. However, if you have many orders, it is recommended you import them from an external file. Here is an example order file containing the material ID, due date, order quantity and units, and the line the order should be run on. Navigate to Import and select Orders. Begin a new import. Once more, drag or drop or upload the file. If your file contains multiple sheets, select which one contains the order data. Since this file was not generated from a template, and a file with these headers has not been imported before, we will have to map all these columns. I will do so now. Now that all the columns have been mapped, select Continue. Do not worry about these extra options, as they do not matter for an organization's initial load and will be explained in more detail in another video. Finish the import and then navigate to one of the lines. All of the imported orders have been brought in as unscheduled orders. Select All Orders, and then under Actions, select whether you want to schedule such that the orders are met just in time for their due date, or schedule to minimize changeovers while meeting due date. And with that, you're all set to schedule in Phoenix. For more information, please see our other videos and visit us at www.phoenixps.com.